All right, guys, morning. Out here with Hitch by Hitch.
What's up?
And True North Unlimited,
Hello.
Mr. Troy. Headed out, gonna try the ocean for some rockfish, and hopefully we can get out there. It's a little bit of a big swell, but we're gonna try it. And yeah, let's go see what we got 9 pots baited up, ready to go in. Try that too. See what we can get.
Alexis is on board.
And Alexis is on board. Right there. So, alright. Let's go see what we can get. Dropping some pots before we go.
Going down. Alright, Mark.
You ready for another one?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Beautiful morning out here, guys. We got the crew here.
Well,
Let's go get them. Huh?
One of them.
One of the crew. Using that. A couple of shrimp flies. See what happens. Should be a good day. Ocean's actually not bad.
Okay, there's fish down there. See how that goes.
You ready?
We're 60 feet.
He said go down, so I'm going down. $53 feet. You need me up here?
Yeah, probably. I don't feel any weight.
Fish on!
Fish.
Fish
I
on!
see it.
Oh man, that's a teeny one. I don't know. It's either a... Yeah, I think I
Oh,
lost.
I got a fish. Oh, come on. Told you I'm gonna get the first one.
Well,
Yeah, I still got one.
We had a fish on here.
I still got one.
Got me.
Oh, yeah, I got a fish. First
Yeah,
fish
you
on
did.
the boat.
All right. What? Jig's bigger than the fish.
Jake, look at that. Look at that, Jake.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
Busy.
This is going back home. That's bigger than the hook. Or the hook is bigger than that. Go away.
I think you have a fish. Roy.
Oh, what a fish. That was a good one there.
First one wins. First one wins.
Oh.
Oh. You guys are
What are you at?
51.
They are everywhere.
From 40 to 80. Probably 45.
They ain't hungry, I know that. For a
Fish on, I win! Get out of here!
Should be.
fish on!
Got a bite too.
Get on the boat! First one on the boat!
Oh!
I win! You suck!
Oh! Second one on the boat. I actually had the first one on the boat. These are little deacons.
Yeah.
You gonna keep them?
Come on.
Yeah.
Ouch.
Right through.
Got one?
Bob. Oh yeah, I got one.
Nice.
Fish on.
Fish on.
You got one on?
Yep.
Big one, huh?
Oh, we'll see. Nope.
Little guy.
Man.
Yeah, that's bigger than my first one.
Yeah, your first one was little.
There's a jellyfish right there on the surface.
There's one.
Right there. Right by the boat. I got
No,
a
I didn't. It's
teeny
still on.
tiny one on here. These things are teeny. Look at this.
What's going on with them little teeny ones? Oh, there's a fish. Oh, Jesus, fish on.
I got one too.
You got one?
Yeah.
I got one.
Quad.
I got one.
We got
That's
quad.
another little teeny one, Alexis.
Oh, I got a decent one.
Do you? Oh, not bad.
All over the
Oh
place.
yeah.
Oh, we got a good one here.
Just like
monster.
chilling.
Oh, nice.
Oh, dang, that's good.
Live action.
There's a lot of fish here.
Nice.
Let's weed through the small one.
Spot.
Alexis, you want me to get that off for you?
Sure.
I would, except I don't have a rod holder. I will anyway.
Right, yeah.
I got it.
And then here's some lures.
Alexis is a little one.
Oh,
Yep.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Dang, that's big.
We're out of them already.
Yeah, I'll run that back.
Oh, fish on! I got a little bitty guy on. We're going to leave him down there for just a little bit.
Oh,
Got him?
Yep.
mine's
Where's your
coming.
line counter at?
35.
They got one over there, too.
I think it's a little
Oh.
baby again.
Bend down!
Oh yeah. There we go.
Oh, yeah!
We're all hooked up. Oh, there's a good
Blue
one.
in the boat.
Oh, no.
I think I got two. Yeah, I got
Yeah,
two.
you do.
Hey, I got
Oh,
a nice
yeah.
one on the bottom.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, double.
One to go back and one to stay. That one's going back. That and stay. All right.
Oh,
We had
there's a bunch. There's a bunch. Get them back down.
Woo! I have two on mine too.
Oh, you. That one on the bottom don't count.
That's that back right there. All right.
Right there.
Just drop that back down. You might get a link cod.
With the fish on?
Yeah. Why not?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one. These are tiny.
Mine might be bigger. No, maybe not.
I don't like having them.
Oh yeah, look it.
Oh yeah, bring it in. I got a little bigger one too, I think.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know if it is or not. It's a keeper.
Alexis got a good one. Oh, and a little baby. That one's stayed on.
That one was on last time.
Oh yeah. Here we go.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Come
Here
on.
you go, Jake.
Hold on. Stupid thing. I don't know if I want that one, Earl.
You don't? Okay. We can go back with it.
Yeah.
Going back. Hey, stay on there. Oh, it might still be on there. You don't have to set the hook that hard,
Oh, I
Alexis.
just get so excited. I can't
There
help
you
it.
go. I got one. Ah, I think I do.
Still stuck.
I think. Pretty sure I do. Little bitty guys, though. The way it feels. Huh? Yeah. Little guy. He's going back. That's not big enough for today.
There's one. Fish on, baby.
Where were you at?
40. Little tiny sucker.
That's what I'm saying. These things are so teeny.
Yeah, Earl. Thought you were putting us on the big fish.
Yeah, what you said.
There we go.
Got one?
Oh, there
Oh,
it
I got one.
is. Okay.
That's a little bitty guy. Come on, bigger one.
Oh, I feel him down there.
Bigger one. I don't want you, little guy. I want a bigger one.
On the. Oh,
There he is. There he is. Now I got a double. One just got off.
you got your one?
One just got off. Hey, these are little guys.
I feel them hitting though.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a bunch of them down there.
They're hitting hard.
Nibble on.
I got a linger dinger. All the way.
All the way. Far.
Got in that, somebody? About 23 feet. Put my camera down there. Oh, that's a big one. Get it.
Oh!
Nice, Doug.
That's a keeper. That's a keeper.
I'm gonna get snagged, I think. You want to reel my line up a couple more?
Drop the net. There you go. Ain't much of a keeper, but he's a keeper.
Yes, sir. Got a ling. You can't
Hold
catch.
still, hold still.
You can't catch rockfish. Well, he can catch some ling. Let me hold your rod.
Yeah, grab it with that. Got it?
Yeah.
Watch it. There you go. Measure that thing for sure, but pretty sure it's a keeper.
Nicely done.
23.
He's over 22.
Yeah.
Barely, but yeah. Like I said, he's barely a keeper, but he's a keeper.
Yeah.
Sweet!
Nice.
One down.
I think I got the bite, and then when I pulled up, I snagged it.
That could be.
Alexis got one. Yeah, I think it might have ran down and.
Is that a ling? Where's the net?
Feels pretty good.
Where's the net?
About 18.
Yeah. Right there.
Oh, sea bass.
It's a good sea bass.
Yeah, bring it up.
She broke the other stuff off. That's a good sea bass.
That's nice.
That is a monster. Flip your
Good
mouth.
one.
Flip your mouth. Tell me you got a ling.
Oh, come on. I might have got something too.
I got two. What are you talking about? Little bitty guys.
Mine's little too.
Man, you're good at getting us on little fish.
You know what?
It's better than none though.
Last time I'm taking a fish.
Oh,
Those are,
Oh, yeah.
you got one. Jake, I don't care. We're catching fish, all right?
No, I know.
What is it?
It's just a little guy.
Your little tail.
No, that's the one I just released.
Oh yeah? Dude.
Just like it.
I bet it is too.
He was hungry.
Yeah, baby.
That's a
a
good
good one.
size one there. That's what I'm talking
That's
about.
it.
Good size one. Oh, yeah, buddy. Now we're in some good ones. Oh, that's a good one, Alexis. Oh, yeah. You got one? Or you got the bottom?
Alright.
Decent blue, huh?
Nice.
Oh, you got the good jig on there.
Yep.
Those jigs work.
Yeah, look at your lean and
Yeah. Got it off?
Yeah.
Good for you. Fish are up high now. So that's 12?
12. 12 and one lean dinger. Oh, good head shaker too.
You're on my line. Bring it up.
Oh man, it might be legal.
You got, man, we got all kinds of them here.
Oh my God.
Good grief.
Wow. Look at that mess. Look at that mess. Oh,
That ain't it. That's all you. That's all you.
Oh my God. You kind of want.
Oh, I got one too.
I got 4.
Some of them are nice size too.
Well, mine came off.
Look at that. What a mess. 4 fish later.
I had a freaking triple, and you had one on here too.
Yeah, I had one on mine.
Oh yeah, watch out! You're 15 feet right here.
Gotcha.
Yeah, careful.
Yeah. 3 from done. Alexis is holding it together.
There we go. There we go. Got sea lice all over it. Fresh here.
Is that mine?
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're calling it. We got 17 rockfish, 1 lingcod, and we're gonna head back in, grab crab pots. Stick around for that. Been a fun day so far. What do we got? I see color. Oh!
Whoa,
boy,
no,
I thought we lost the pot, but we didn't. I don't know what that was.
that?
Did you see that?
A crab, but just small one.
Bunch of little guys. No good. Those sailboats out here today. Lots of them. Empty pot.
Yeah, we're.
Yeah, we gotta get out of there.
Finally got a big one. Right there. Yes, sir. Almost a gauge buster.
See that one.
That's a good one.
Measure this one and down it.
I don't think so. Nah.
Nope. Well, we got one.
Thought you said this one was hard. He's about half hard. Good enough, I guarantee you that. For today.
It's a combination of tide and
Hey, this one's full.
competition between 400 other pots.
Yeah, there's a keeper.
Dead now.
That was sleeping. It's just sleeping.
He ain't dead.
It's just sleeping there.
There's some keepers in there.
Go to sleep. Yeah, there we go.
Now we're talking. Alright guys, thanks for coming along. We had a blast today. Got out on the ocean after some rockfish. That was fun. Thanks, Jake, for taking me along.
Yeah, you got it.
It's good to meet Troy from True North Unlimited. Go check him out. I'll leave his link in the description. But we got 17 rockfish, 1 lingcod, and 16 crabs. That's what we did today. Thanks for coming along. Thumbs up, leave a comment. Catch you on the next one.